My dear Bhaiya Ban in English class today. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is on the face of it, written by Susan Hill. At first, I would like to express you something about Susan Hill. Susan Hill is an English author of fiction and non-fiction works. Her novels include The Woman in Black, The Mist in the Mirror, and I Am the King of the Castle, for which she received the Somerset Maugham Award in 1971. It was about the author. Today we are going to start on the face of it. Let us see the introduction to this lesson. The story is about a teenage boy whose name is Derry, who has a burnt face, and Mr. Lamb, who is a disabled old man with an artificial leg made of tin. Derry accidentally enters his garden so that he can hide himself from people who hate him because of his ugly face. Mr. Lamb not only welcomes him in his garden but also encourages him to lead a normal life, leaving behind his past. In this story, we are going to read about two men. One is young, other is old. The young one is named the young one name is Derry. He has a burnt face. And the old man name is Mr. Lamb, who is physically handicapped with one leg. His one leg was made of tin. And one day Derry accidentally enters the garden of Mr. Lamb to hide himself from people who hate him because of his ugly face. Mr. Lamb welcomes him in his garden and also encourages him to lead a normal life, leaving behind his past. My dear, you must have seen there are so many people on this earth who are physically handicapped, but they have done a great work. They are doing a great work. In the same way, suppose your face is burnt, your one leg is made of artificial things. Can't you do any work? My dear, you can. If you are strong by heart, you can do any work on this earth. So many physically handicapped persons are earning too much money. They are in crores, they are in Arabs. What do they do? How do they earn money? They earn money by telling moral lessons to human beings, to encourage human beings, to show themselves that they are like this and they are earning this. And physically handicapped persons who are still working here and there, they are the source of inspiration for us. In this story, I would like to express you the summary of the story first. After that, we shall read the text. See the summary. The story begins with a teenage boy entering a garden. His face is burnt on one side due to an accident when acid fell on half of his face. He has gone there to hide himself as he is afraid of facing people. He fears being teased by others for having such a face. But when he enters, he finds someone already present there. He tries to leave the place, but he is stopped by the old man. Mr. Lamb, the owner of the garden. Derry feels guilty for entering the garden without permission. Mr. Lamb welcomes him and tells him not to leave just because of his presence. Derry wants to leave as he thinks people don't like his face and moreover they get afraid of his looks. But Mr. Lamb insists him to stay there. Mr. Lamb forces him to stay there. They enter into a conversation that how Derry is not liked by anyone and how he hates people behaving like this with him. Mr. Lamb tries to console him. He tells him that he has a teen leg and kids make fun of him. Still, he is not depressed and enjoys his life. They both talk about various things and this leads to revelation of Derry's fear, depression and hatred about his being in such condition. But Mr. Lamb keeps on telling him to think of the positive things. Soon they become friends, and Mr. Lamb asks him to help him in plucking the crab apples of his garden. Crab means rotten apples, bad apples. Derry tells him that he had come too far from his home and hadn't told anything about this to his mother. Mr. Lamb tells him to take permission from his mother. Derry finds it difficult and this leads to a small quarrel between both of them. At last, Derry tells him that he would come back after taking his mother's permission. His mother does not want him to go back, but he comes back again to fulfill his promise. Meanwhile, Mr. Lamb climbs the ladder on his own to pluck the crab apples, as he was sure that Derry would not return. He was disabled and it was difficult for him to climb. Mr. Lamb falls from his ladder and dies. Derry, on the other hand, returns to the garden to help him. When he enters the garden, he sees Mr. Lamb lying on the ground. Derry tries hard to make him move but did not get any response from him. Finally, he comes to know that he is dead and starts crying. Thus, we have got the summary of this poem. In the summary, we have read there are two persons. One is young, other one is old. Young one's name is Derry. He is burnt by one face, and other one name is Mr. Lamb. He is lame by one leg, so that both are handicapped. Okay, we are going to read the lesson with explanation. Here you see scene 1. Scene 1 starts with Mr. Lamb's garden. And in garden what happens? There is the occasional sound of bird song and tree leaves rustling. Derry's footsteps are heard as he walks slowly and tentatively through the long grass. He pauses, then walks again. He comes round a screen of bushes so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand and Derry is startled. Scene 1 starts from where? From Mr. Lamb's garden. And we all know that what happens in any garden. There will be occasional sound of bird song and rustling sound of tree leaves. And in this sound, Derry comes to his garden. He walks slowly and tentatively through the long grass so that Mr. Lamb shouldn't see him. He comes round a screen of bushes so that when Mr. Lamb speaks to him, he is close at hand and Derry is startled. Means when Mr. Lamb started talking with him, at first Derry wanted to run away from that place because he became afraid, because he entered that garden to hide himself from the people who hated him. So, my dear, here are some words like occasional. Occasional means sometimes. Rustling. Rustling means whisper or low sound. Tentatively means hesitantly, without confidence. Startled means feeling a sudden shock. In this scene, the narrator describes the setting of scene 1. The location of scene 1 is Mr. Lamb's garden. One can occasionally hear the birds singing and the low sound of the tree leaves there. Derry, a young boy, enters the garden hesitantly, means fearfully. When he comes out of the bushes, he is surprised to hear Mr. Lamb talking to him. Means when Derry enters the garden, he found that Derry had seen him and Derry started talking with him. Now see the paragraph here. This story is in the form of play. Play means drama. Here two persons are talking with each other, Mr. Lamb and Derry. What they are talking, you just read it. I am only telling the explanation of this paragraph up to indoors, not a day to be indoors. I would like to give you explanation of this paragraph. You read this dialogue and see the explanation. In this paragraph in this dialogue you see there are two persons, Mr. Lamb and Derry. In this paragraph we see Mr. Lamb warns him about the crab apples that usually fell in the long grass from the tree above. Derry was shocked on hearing a voice. He asked as to who it was. Mr. Lamb introduced himself and also said that small sour apples, known as crab apples, had fallen on the ground. If Derry would not be careful while walking through the grass, he could trip over them and get hurt. Derry said that he didn't know that someone was present in the garden. He thought it to be empty, and even the house seemed empty to him. Mr. Lamb tried to comfort him by saying that the house was empty as he was out in the garden. He also asked him not to be afraid. Derry wanted to leave the place.